Hello student, today we are going to discuss the new chapter, that is climate. What you know about the climate? The basic concept we are going to discuss in this period. Which are the basic concept? The well known concepts are the day to day life you are using, the climate, today's climate, its change. But exact what is meant by climate? And it is measured long period of time. It is during, not point of time. Climate is the characteristic condition of the atmosphere near the earth's surface at the certain place on the earth. In other words, the climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variation over a large area for a long period of time. It is a observation of long period of time, more than 30 years. When the weather is recorded during the period of time at least 30 years, what changes are came on the earth, and that recorded the weather is known as the climate. The what is the weather? The weather, it is measured at the point of time. Weather refers to the state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time. The elements of the both weather and climates are the same, but they are measured in different time. Weather is measured in at the time of period, and climate is measured during the period of time, and both having the same the element. These elements are weather and climate's elements are the temperature, humidity, precipitation, wind, cloudiness, and other atmospheric conditions at specific time. Now, the third concept is that monsoon. Day to day life using this word monsoon change. Okay, but what is the meaning of monsoon? This word, monsoon word, is derived from the Arabic word Mausim. Literally, it means season. In our country, there are three seasons, but common monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal. Reversal, it means it change afterwards, revise after a certain period of time, and seasonal reversal in the wind direction during the year. Wind's direction change during the year certain period, and same it is reported after the 1 year. And the world is divided into number of climatic region. The climate of India is described as the monsoon type, and this monsoon type of climate is found in South and Southeast Asia. But there are regional variation in climatic conditions within the country. The two important elements are temperature and precipitations often vary from place to place and season to season. Participa- Participation and temperature it change time to time, place to place and season to season. Let's see on the map. This activity map. On this map, it is shown that withdrawal of the monsoon and its date. Bay of Bengal, 15 October, 1st November, 15 November. These are the withdrawal of the monsoon. 1 October, 15 October, 1 November, 15 November. It is withdrawal in Sea, Arabian Sea. Where it is, this map shows the where the monsoon withdrawal and what date. You have to see 15 September in Pakistan, 1 September, 15 September, 15 September again. These are the dates of the withdrawal of the monsoon in our country. Now, see the few questions on your screen. At home, you have to complete this activity. On the political map of India, refer this map and with the help of this map complete this activity. The activity is that activity number 1, locate and label the following items on the given map. Question number 1, line where the time period of withdrawal of monsoon is 15 November on this map. Just draw the line where the monsoon withdrawal on 15 November. Second is that again draw the line the monsoon withdrawal on 1st October. Third question, draw the line where the monsoon withdrawal on 15 September. This is the activity first. What is the activity? Just refer this map, this, okay, and on the basis of this map, this type, you have to draw the line on this map. Activity number 2, again map activity. In activity number 2, you are giving the name and date, giving the name and date. Just see the question number 1. Name the date of withdrawal of monsoon. Date. Question number 1 is here. When it is reported monsoon, you have to write down the date. Number 1 means question number 1. Second, name the date of withdrawal of monsoon. Where it is reported. Now second. Here you have to write down the only date. And third, here when it is withdrawal the monsoon, write down the date. In this activity, you are writing the only date 1, 2 and 3. When it is withdrawal monsoon. These are the two activity. First active. You are writing the date and drawing the line. Now, in weather, the second element, the first element, you saw that the temperature is a second element. Temperature. Our country, in all the states or all districts or all different places having the different temperature, it is reported in different time period. Take an example of summer. In summer season, in parts of the Rajasthan deserts, the last year our trip was in Rajasthan. In parts of the Rajasthan desert, it's 50 degrees Celsius, and same time period it is 20 degrees Celsius in Jammu and Kashmir. In summer season, in one place is 50 degrees Celsius temperature, and same time period there is a 20 degrees Celsius temperature. Palgam in Jammu and Kashmir 20 degrees Celsius, and Rajasthan 50 degrees Celsius in summer season. And same time period minus 45 degrees Celsius, it is Tiruvananthapuram and 22 degrees Celsius. Now, in some places temperature between day and night also it changes. In the desert it rises to 50 degrees Celsius in day, and that same day night it drop down to near 15 degrees Celsius in night. But in the Andaman and Nicobar Island or in Kerala, there is no much difference in day and night temperature. But only in Rajasthan, day temperature is 50 degrees Celsius, and in night it come down 15 degrees Celsius. But in Andaman, Nicobar and Kerala, it is not that recordable day and night. Now again there is a map, political map of India. These are the few states are shown on screen. All these states refer the political map of India, and on the basis of this political map we will discuss the second element of the weather. The second element is precipitation. The precipitation is varied or different in its form. Precipitation has types and amount and seasonal distribution. It is in the form of snowfall in the upper parts of the Himalaya. It's rain over the rest of the country. The annual precipitation varies from 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeter in Ladakh and Western Rajasthan. Western Rajasthan, most of the parts of the country receives rainfall from June to September. But Tamil Nadu coast gets rain during the October and November. Rainfall generally decrease from east to west in the north plain. These variations have given rise to variety in lives of the people, their food, clothes and houses. The second, that is vegetations. Vegetation can affect both temperature and the precipitation pattern in an area. See on the screen, in the different country, different region having the different precipitations and different areas also. After the watching of this video, you are try to solve the following question. The question number 1, what is climate? What is weather? Name the element of the climate and weather. Easy and simple questions are formulate on this video and solve this question on paper and submit on my email ID. Remaining part of this lesson we'll discuss next period. Thank you.